this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy tuna casserole recipe for you that is made with a cheese sauce that is dairy-free. Now, if you don't have to eat dairy-free, no problem. You can just use cream and mushroom soup or cheese sauce like cheese soup instead. So let's get started, and I'll show you what the ingredients we need are first.
To our pan with water, we're going to add some noodles, and I'm using small shells. And we're going to add some broccoli. You can use fresh. I'm using frozen broccoli here. And some frozen peas too. I'm just going to dump all that in with some water to cover and give it a stir. And then we're just going to boil that until they're tender crisp, about 6 minutes to 8 minutes. Now we'll make the cheese sauce. We'll add flour and some nutritional yeast and some salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of mustard. And we'll go ahead and stir that up and add some water to make our cheese sauce. It's just so simple and easy. Whisk it together, and then we're going to cook it on the stove until it thickens just like this. Once it's thickened and our noodles are done, we're going to add our tuna to the noodles and give it a stir to mix it in. Then we're going to add the cheese sauce. It's a yummy cheese sauce, nice and thick. Give it a good stir to coat each piece, and then we're going to add it to our casserole dish. I'm using a round casserole dish, but you can use square or rectangular, whatever you have. We're going to cover the dish and put it in the oven to bake it for about 15 minutes, and here it is, baked for 15 minutes. And now we're going to add the topping. We're going to add some potato chips and breadcrumbs and just sprinkle that on there, and then press them down, and then we're going to bake it uncovered for about another 10 minutes until it's golden and yummy, just like this. And if you want the printable recipe, you can head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.